My daughter and I are going to try to make paper today, and the first thing that we're going to do is take some of this shredded paper and put it in the blender mixed with water and mush it all up. That's the first step. Alright, so I'm going to take my water and dump it in. I don't think that's going to be enough. Okay, let's puree. Okay, let's look at that consistency. It's a little bit too watery. It's supposed to be like oatmeal, I believe. So let's put some more paper in there. It was still a little too watery, so I put some pink paper in there. Let's see now. Yeah, that's very oatmeal-ish. Now we're going to dump it in a baby pool. Because my screen is quite big, and the container I was going to do it in, I don't think is going to work because it's too small. Filling up the baby pool so that we can get this totally underwater and then lift it up. So I think it needs to be a little bit deeper, and we might end up needing to add even more pulp because it's such a big space. Okay, so we're going to dump the pulp in, and then we have to mix it up, and I have a feeling we are going to need more pulp.
Oh, this feels weird.
I know, it's gross. Got to get that all slurried all around. We've added some color strings and some dried flowers to the water. And here we go. Awesome. Now we're going to transfer it. We're tipping it out. Rachel's tipping it out, and then she's going to kind of press it down and soak up some of the water with a sponge.
It doesn't look like it should hold that much water, but it does.
Yeah, it's definitely wet.
Maybe it is better to do it on a wet day.
I think the more water we get out, the easier it might be to have it fall off the screen, but I'm not sure.
I don't know either. It just seems like the right thing to do.
It still seems a little thin on that one corner.
I think it's already fallen off there.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. This is literally the first time I tried this.
We were using these, but they don't work too well. Might have to buy more sponges.
Whoa!
Perfect.
But yeah,
It's definitely a little thin. Well, we can cut that off later. Let's try again.
This would be a fun hobby, but I don't think I have
Oh, maybe we should slurry it around a little bit first?
Maybe.
Now what are we saying?
This seems like a fun hobby, but I don't have space for all of this equipment you need.
Oh, no. And I have to confess, I don't enjoy it that much. I just like the results of having the paper. Okay. getting a lot of water out of there.
Mm-hmm.
That one looks like it's thicker than the last one.
Yes, I think so too. This corner doesn't seem to want to come off.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it does.
Ooh, that's our best one yet. Or your best one yet. Alright. Deckle broke. And but we did get, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of paper. And we really did not enjoy the process.
I didn't mind it.
You didn't mind it? I didn't love it. She did better than me. So when it's dry, we'll do the big reveal. So Rachel decided to strain the water in the deckle before we threw out the leftover water.
It started out as trying to make the pool a little lighter to dump out, but it seems to be working.
And she made this piece of paper with it.
I don't like wasting things.
And it's the best paper that we had yet. By doing, this is what she's doing. Just dumping the water out on there and making paper that way. It came out good.
Paper making community, do not come for me.
And this is the one that just got poured on out of a pitcher. Well, out of the blender pitcher.
This one seems a little more stiff.
That's coming out yet. Okay. Alright, that's another one of the best pieces.
See?
Oh, now
Don't
we
waste
know.
anything.
Now we know how to really do it.
Yeah.
So here are the results of the papers that we made yesterday. Some of them are actually still a bit wet. Some of them we just got little pieces. I think like this one I'm going to have to glue that flower down. There's some words came out in there that says you. Flower came out nicely. That's a buttercup. This one is sticking out. I have a feeling I'll have to glue that one down. There's a leaf. It's a blueberry bush leaf. Here's one. This one didn't have any strings in it yet. And then I'll show you the wet ones over here. We have these two. The buttercups came out nicely. This side is more plain. We've got this one. And I noticed that a lot of the places where there are the hydrangeas dyed the paper yellow. Don't know why. They're not yellow flowers. We have this one. Like that. This one is pretty thick. This one. Looks like that on that side. And then we have this plain one. See, usually one side looks better than the other. So I'll have yellow on this one. And there's the flowers. And there's one more. There's two more. This one has two blueberry bush leaves in it. We did find that, find out that you're supposed to put them on felt when they're drying, and so we did switch them from our towels to felt, and they actually dried better, I think. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you again next time. Bye-bye.